This man is fighting what might be the loneliest defensive battle on Earth. Behind him, no backup. His enemies? An endless horde of zombies pouring out from the darkness. But he is fearless because his only weapon is his own mouth. Look at him. Every cannonball is as fast as lightning, precisely knocking down every single foe. The basic zombie charging at the front, taken out in one shot. The shovel-wielding digger, intercepted with absolute precision. Even the notoriously difficult piggyback duo, they fall apart before his very eyes. And yet, just as total victory was within his grasp, a truly ancient, deadly opponent silently emerged from the sand. Facing this ultimate pincer attack, how long do you think he can possibly last?